Welcome back to Insights 1983. In today's lesson, we'll explore the Excel interface step by step. If you've ever opened Excel and didn't know where to begin, this video is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the tools you need to start confidently. Let's start by opening Microsoft Excel. When Excel launches, you'll see several templates on the Start screen. Click Blank Workbook. This opens your main Excel workspace. This is your Excel window. At the top, you'll see the ribbon, a collection of tabs that group similar tools together. Let's explore them one by one. The Home tab is your main control center. Here you can format data, change fonts, align text, color cells, and apply number formats. You'll use this tab more than any other. The Insert tab lets you add visual elements like tables, charts, pictures, and shapes. It's where you turn data into visuals and dashboards. The Page Layout tab helps you prepare your sheet for printing or presentation. You can adjust margins, change orientation, and choose a theme for consistent styling. The Formulas tab is your calculation hub. Here you'll find all your functions, like sum, average, if, and VLOOKUP. The Data tab helps you organize and analyze information. You can sort, filter, remove duplicates, and even connect to external data sources. The Review tab helps you check spelling, add comments, or protect your sheet. The View tab controls how your worksheet appears. You can switch between normal, page layout, or page break view and adjust your zoom level. This grid is called the worksheet. It's made of columns labeled A, B, C, and rows labeled 1, 2, 3. Each box is a cell and every cell has an address, like A1 or B3. This is where you type data, numbers, and formulas. At the bottom, you'll find the status bar. It shows quick summaries like average, count, and sum when you select numbers. But here's a hidden feature. The status bar is customizable. Right-click anywhere on it, and you can add or remove items like minimum, maximum, or macro recording status. Now, at the top left corner, you'll see the Quick Access Toolbar. It gives you one-click shortcuts for commands like save, undo, redo, or print. You can customize it by clicking the drop-down arrow beside it and adding your favorite tools. Under the View tab, you can zoom in or out or switch between normal, page layout, and page break view. Adjusting your view makes your workspace comfortable and efficient. Now you know your way around Excel. You've explored each tab, learned about the worksheet area, and discovered how to customize your workspace. In the next lesson, we'll start entering and formatting data. That's where the real fun begins. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, tap the bell icon, and comment below what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching. And as always, stay tuned with Insights 1983. Bonus quiz segment. Let's test your knowledge with a short bonus quiz. Answer the questions in the comments below. Question